Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Mexican hospitality company Palace Resorts plans to invest US $700 million into the 1,200-room, 33-story Moon Palace The Grand in Montego Bay. When completed, Moon Palace The Grand will employ 3,000 people to take care of 1,200 luxurious suites, including overwater bungalows. The resort will offer guest amenities, including over 13 specialty restaurants, a unique water park, and the largest spa in the country. The Mexican family investment will also provide 500 staff apartments on 28 acres of land opposite the resort. Cottage industries will be established among the communities of Lilliput, Barretttown, Grange Pen, Rhine Park, and Spot Valley, where citizens will be involved in making sheets, pillowcases, blankets, and towels, candles, and sundry other items to meet the needs of the tourism industry. Investors can look forward to passive income from listed companies. Pan Jamaica Group Limited has declared a second interim dividend of 1.75 cents per share, payable on September 23, 2025 to shareholders on record as at September 1, 2025. Elite Diagnostic Limited has declared a dividend of 1 cent per share, payable on October 10, 2025 to shareholders on record as at September 19, 2025. Several corporate entities have announced executive changes. Honeybun 1982 Limited has advised of the appointment of Mr. Daniel Chong as Chief Executive Officer effective October 1, 2025. Edufocal Limited has advised that Mr. Mark Green has tendered his resignation as Chief Operating Officer effective August 31, 2025. And Massey Holdings Limited has advised that Mr. David Alfonso, President and Group Chief Executive Officer, will retire from the company and its Board of Directors effective September 30, 2025. Massey has further advised that Mr. James McLetchie, Executive Vice President and Deputy Chief Executive Officer, will replace Mr. Alfonso. JMMB Group Limited has advised that effective August 4, 2025, Mr. Damien Hilton has been appointed Group Chief Payments and Solutions Officer. For the trading period ending August 12, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,092,096 units traded, representing 30.10% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 967,739 units traded, representing 13.92% of market sales volume. Entertainment and gaming provider Supreme Ventures Limited with 634,681 units traded, representing 9.13% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 12, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $48.45 million purchased and US $61.41 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.19 per dollar, selling the US at $161.31 and buying the US at $159.12. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.32 per transaction, with selling at $117.17 and buying at $115.85. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.37 in profit, with selling at $217.30 and buying at $215.93. For our credit report tip of the day, if your credit is strong, you're sitting on buying power, and it's time to use it. Every month you delay, opportunities to own income-producing assets pass to someone else. Stop parking your financial strength in good standing status and start converting it into property deeds, business ownership, and investments that pay you back. Credit worthiness is your launch pad. Ownership is the mission. When you're building something from nothing and you fought your way back from financial setbacks, every step forward feels hard won. As a professional woman over the age of 45, you're not just balancing bills and budgets, you're battling doubt, navigating confusing money terms, and sometimes standing alone when friends and family don't see your vision, but you're done playing small. You want more cash flowing into your account. You want your first income producing asset, and you're ready to push past the emotional triggers that have held you back. This is the moment to move from recovery to resilience, stronger, sharper, and unstoppable. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.